The way we are living now is unnatural. Living in sleep, in ego, a reactive behavior. Reactive behavior, that's how we behave with everyone. React. So we are living unnaturally now, and humility, kindness and love is our nature. ਮਿੱਠਤ ਨੀਵੀਂ ਨਾਨਕਾ ਗੁਣ ਚੰਗਿਆਈਆਂ ਤਤ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਦੇ ਗੁਣ ਹਨ. Humility, kindness and love are our God-given virtues. By practice we mean that we remind ourselves that I am humility, I am kindness, I am love, and then do lot of meditation to experience, to become peaceful, to become quiet, to become still, sun samad. In that stillness, inner stillness, we are going to experience what is humility, what is kindness, and what is love. This is our nature until we start living naturally. Through practice, we mean we remind ourselves. So, the second question, that how to practice this when we are oppressed. Oppression is the word which can only be related to our ego. It has got absolutely nothing with us, with our true identity, with our soul. Soul cannot be oppressed. Our ego becomes suppressed, means our ego wants the things to happen in certain way, and the other person doesn't let me do that, what I want. And we say, I'm being oppressed. My ego is being oppressed. And through meditation, when we realize who we are, there is no ego, the question of oppression does not arise. Does it make sense? Hanji? So oppression, nobody can oppress us. Absolutely nobody. Thirdly, why the fifth Guru accepted martyrdom and the sixth Guru started wearing sword and to fight. The question by Miguel was, what's right and what's wrong? Which is the right choice? Did the fifth Guru make the right choice, or did the sixth Guru make the right choice? Did the ninth Guru make the right choice by accepting martyrdom, or did the 10th Guru make the right choice by fighting? It's not choice. Our being does not choose, it just acts. It has nothing to choose, it knows what to do. So the fifth Guru and sixth Guru, ninth Guru, 10th Guru did not choose anything. It was their inner feeling. So our ego chooses. We choose the sides in sleep. Once we wake up, there is nothing to choose. You know what to do. Okay, now the hard part, meditation. See, there is a line, मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे आओ करे, वो मैं beloved foreigner mind, please come home. We are always in the foreign land, outside, never at home. So we have to first, home means that we should know the address. Address. Where is the home? In this body, there is a home. There are not many homes. There is one home in this body for us. There are many points where we can focus along the spine, but the home is one. So we have to first find and know where is my home. And that can only happen through meditation. There is no other way. There is no other way to wake up than through meditation. Okay, we are going to sing this line with such a force that we make our insides vibrate. Our insides are sleeping. ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਲਾਈਨ ਇੰਨੇ ਪਿਆਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਫੋਰਸਫੁਲੀ ਗਾਉਣੀ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਨਾ, ਗਾਵੀਏ ਸੁਣੀਏ ਮਨ ਰੱਖੀਏ ਪਾਓ। ਗਾਉਣਾ ਪਿਆਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ, गाविए सुनिए, नाल अपनी आवाज़ सुननी और अंदर दी जो वाइब्रेशंस हैं, वाइब्रेशंस हमेशा साउंड पैदा कर दिया। अंदर दी वाइब्रेशंस नू फील करना तो फिर हौली हौली आपां अनहद शब्द सुनना। बहुत प्यारा नाल असीं एक गल कहनी चाहुंदे कि जिन्ना चिर आपां ये गल एक्सैप्ट नहीं करते कि मैं सुत्ता होया, उन्ना चिर कोई चांस ही नहीं जागदा। Until and unless we accept that I am in deep sleep, in deep sleep I have a son, I have a daughter. I did not create my son. How can I claim? All he is the creator. He is the father of everyone. Ka baap, ka ki mai. Okay, किदा पियो तू ओ पियो। So first thing we should look within and see, am I humble enough to accept that I am asleep? The more egoistic we are, the more we are going to resist. No, I know everything. So humility, Mitthit Nivi Nanka. These are the God-given virtues. These are the virtues of God and we are the temple of God. And finally, we will recognize that there is no me, you, we, us. It is just divine light manifesting itself through infinite forms and shapes. जो दिस है सगल तू है, सब गोविंद है, गोविंद है, गोविंद है, गोविंद बिन नहीं कोई. There is only God. Anything and everything we see or hear we feel or hear or feel is God. Okay. These are so blessed moments. Let's experience the most beautiful experience of human life is to experience our insights. To experience who this is. I'm an ignorant person, I don't know how to use it. Let's close our eyes, please. And call our wandering consciousness where our body is. Those of us who meditate, let us focus either in between the eyebrows or at the heart area or at the navel point or at the Mooldwara, the root. We should have such a sense of urgency. Sense of urgency. It's a question of life and death for me. It's either to keep asleep and waste my life or to wake up and celebrate the truth. Celebrate that whom I have been calling I is the Divine Himself. He has been hiding behind my ego. I don't let him appear. I don't let him appear before me. I make sure he remains hidden. Sense of urgency, and we must become totally absent from outside and present to inside. जी बच्चियां वाले बीबे थोड़ी देर 7-8 मिनट होर लगने बच्चियां नूं संभालो ताकि आप मेडिटेशन कर सकें. We should focus with such intensity that we should have no awareness about the outside world and become totally aware to the inner world. मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, गुरु नानक देव जी दे बचन। आओ करे, lovingly to call that wandering consciousness, call her home, come home. Come home. We have wasted our life so far in ego, in reacting, in sleep, never experience food. मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, थोड़ी सुस्ती पई, आपां पूरे जोर नाल गाउणा ते जदों प्यारे कहना उदों तुर हेठां तो लैके सुरती नूं उपर नूं खिंचना. Starting from the deepest point, let us pull our consciousness upward towards the heart, towards the throat, towards the forehead, and then above. 10th door. Our insides must vibrate with such a force that we lose consciousness about the outside. Pyare, when we say pyare, we must lift our consciousness upward. Meditation is the journey upward, and we know. मेरे मन परदेसी में प्यारे, आओ करे. When we say pyare, we bring our consciousness to the throat, आओ करे, and when we say करे, we pull the consciousness from the throat to above the head. बहुत भी basic. I'm so grateful to you. मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, प्यारे, come at this throat, stay there and bring the consciousness up. मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, मेरे मन परदेसी, मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, मेरे मन परदेसी, मेरे मन परदेसी वे. आओ मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, all our breath, we must wake up. We must wake up and keep pulling the consciousness upward, and you would feel that your tummy becomes, it would start contracting below the navel point. That means that the consciousness from that area is being pulled upward. ਆਪਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਲੰਮਾ ਆਖਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਭੀ ਤੋਂ ਹੇਠਲਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਪੇਟ ਅੰਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜੂ। ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੂਫ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੁਰਤੀ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਠ ਰਹੀ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਉੱਪਰ ਉਠਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ। मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, मेरे मन वे प्यारे, मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, परदेसी करे ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖਲੋ ਕੇ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਖਲੋ ਜਾਓ please. Those of us who want to stand up and experience the consciousness, the mind consciousness being pulled up, then stand up and feel the मेरे मन परदेसी. Others, those don't need to stand up, please. It's not for you. मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे, आओ करे परदेसी वे प्यारे ਅੱਖਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਕੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ। ਜਸਟ 3-4 ਟਾਈਮਸ ਮੋਰ ਪਲੀਜ਼। 3-4 ਵਾਰ ਸਿਰਫ ਹੋਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਪੂਰੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਾਲ, ਪਰ ਪੂਰੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਾਲ। ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੰਗਤ, ਆਪਣੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹਿਲਦੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋਊਗੀ। Feel those of us who are peaceful enough, you can feel some presence is moving within us. That presence is Him. That presence is Him. And okay, 3 times more only, but with all the energy we have. खड़े हो जो सारे मैं मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे प्यारे, we come up to the throat. When we say प्यारे, come to the throat. And मेरे मन परदेसी वे प्यारे and करे from throat to the skies. आओ करे बहुत बीबे से अखां बंद रखनी. Please keep your eyes closed and keep feeling हरकत within. हरकत. Sign of something alive, dwelling within. If we become one with it, death cannot come to us. We will leave our body at our own chosen time. Then God gives us the freedom. It's up to you. ਤਿੰਨ ਜਮ ਨੇੜ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੌਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਸਕਦੀ, ਤੇਰਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਜੀ ਕਰੂ ਇਸ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਣ ਲਈ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਏ. What a state! What an opportunity! Once we become one with this alive being within, we are beyond the land of death. The death has been won over. Otherwise, death wins everyone. And we must not let this happen to us. Can we promise to ourselves, to all of us and to God? निचल मैं कर चलिए बार फिर दिया गुजर गई सारी. जे अज अपने कोलों बहुत उलंघना हो गई. 10 ਵਜੇ ਦਾ टाइम सी ते संगतां 11 ਵਜੇ पहुंचियां. इस तरह नहीं करीदा हुंदा. ये बाजी जितन वास्ते अंतां दा डिसिपलिन चाहिए. डिसिपलिन. जे 10 ਵਜੇ ਦਾ टाइम सी ते आपां नूं उत्थे 9:59 तक पहुंच जाना चाहिए. ਉਹਦਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਰਾ गड़बड़ होया कुछ. कल तो आपां रोज़ कल भी ते परसों भी कल नूं आपां 10 ਵਜੇ फाउंटेन ते इकट्ठे होना ते नवीं चीज़ होनी. Tomorrow all of us are going to gather at the fountain at 10 a.m. Tonight there is a comedy evening and then a drama by the Western Sangat. And that we will only enjoy if we have done enough. If we feel that I have done enough today, I deserve to go to that comedy show. If we have done enough efforts to move close to our home, then we would enjoy. Oh my mother, let us go home. We have wasted all the day by wandering outside, never going home, never going home. So now there is tea, coffee, some refreshments through the tunnel and outside. Gaunde gaunde jana. चल कर चलिए नीमाए, फिर दयानो शाम हो गई। चल कर चलिए नीमाए, फिर दयानो शाम हो गई। चल कर चलिए चल कर चलिए नीमा, फिर दयानो चल कर चलिए फिर चल कर चलिए फिर दयानो शाम चल